Stunning. Beautiful. Alright folks, it's been a while since I've been out. Back in September, I think the weather has been pretty atrocious lately, especially in the east where we are. Shocking. So we're heading through Craigellachie Nature Reserve up to the summit. It's about 490 odd metres. Hopefully we'll get above an inversion. Seen it this morning, I was looking at the webcams at Cairngorms mountain and you could just sort of see a sea cloud, so we better be above it. Like, you can see it sort of breaking up as well. Well, I came up last night on the train from Edinburgh. 2 nights with my old school muckers, Steve, Mike and Pab. Good to catch up with them after a few years. Pab's in the pub watching Ross County versus Celtic, so he's not coming up the walk. But I've not been out in September was my last trip. I don't know about yourselves, but sometimes I just can't really be bothered driving as well up north. I'd rather drive up north in springtime and obviously camp out, but when it gets to sort of the darker days, it's just like, my nearest Monroe is like probably a 4-hour drive, you know what I mean? So it's 8 hours in total. Sometimes I just can't be bothered.
Look at inversion. Look at the old man's beard on the trees.
Inversion. The inversion of love. Can it be an inversion?
Incredible, eh?
Wee fogbow happening here. Can't whack a wee inversion, eh? Gotta love a wee inversion, boys, don't you? How many times have I said the word inversion today?
100.
100,000. Beautiful. Lovely. Superb bush. Tell you, it's such a stunning wee viewpoint up here. Right over to the Cairngorms.
Oh, that's cracking.
Cheeky wee inversion to boot. Summit 1 to Summit 2.
Summit 2.
Summit 2. Hello, summits. Not a breath of wind today as well. Magic. Cairn number 3. Heading to the 4th top. Boggy McBogfist. Toboggan. You tobogganers. Cairn number 4. And the final one that we'll be going to today. Heading back down to the mist in Aviemore. Joy not. And Virgin has crept up a little bit since the last time we were here.